Hello, in this video we're gonna see how you can send an SMS campaign containing a short URL. In order to do that, you need to upload your contacts in the first step of the audience, add them. Then in the channels you will see all the statistics about the possible channels that you are gonna use. Then you will define the flow, the campaign flow with primary channel. We're gonna use the SMS in order to see how you can use a shortened URL. You go to next, and then you need to set up your SMS. Once you're here, you can see that from the first options, the second one is shorten URL. What does that mean? Let's keep it disabled and let's go here and insert a specific link. For this example, I'm going to use WayMoreio. So this is the link that I want to use. So you're going to see here that it will be, I will add it from the plus. So here I will also have an enter. So this is where it will show up the link that I want. If I use the shorten URL, you're going to see that how it changes from the original one to the shortened one. So if you have a very long link, it's a very good option so your customer receives something very small and tidy in his SMS. So this is a small preview of how it's going to look like. You click on save. You can either save it as a template and then you can move on and continue with overviewing and sending your campaign.